Range in Excel is a selection of one cell or more. It's very useful to know the different way you can select ranges and make use of them. And I'll show you this in this video.
Let's begin. To select one cell, you just take your mouse to the cell you want to go to and click on them. If you want to select a column, you can click on the alphabets at the top. Quite similarly, if you want to select rows, you can just click on the numbers on the left-hand side. A useful thing to know is, in case you need to select the entire Excel worksheet, you can just click on here and it selects the whole worksheet. And then click away to deselect. Now, sometimes it may happen that you do not want to add these numbers or these numbers. You would like to add this one, this one, this one, and this one. How do you do that? You simply have to press Ctrl and Command key, select the cell you want to, like that.
If you want to select a few cells next to each other together, all you have to do is select a cell, hold the mouse and drag, and then let it go.
Another way you can select these cells is just by typing in the cell numbers. For example, C6 to D10. C6. I actually forgot what's this sign called. D10. At the moment, it won't do anything, mainly because you haven't put an equal sign. An equal sign acts like a command telling Excel to do a math. Equal. When you put equal, it just automatically selects all of the cells.